Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you can effortlessly create a stunning 3D reboot model using AI. And the best part, it's completely free. First things first, let's launch Chrome. Next, we're going to search for a fantastic AI tool called Styler AI. This tool is perfect for turning your ordinary images into pixel art wonders. Click on New Project to get started. Choose a canvas. Select the option for text to image. Now, let's write a prompt that describes the 3D reboot model you envision. A computer monitor sitting on top of a desk, a computer rendering. Inspired by Mike Winkelmann, computer art, cybernetic machine female face. Colorful flat surreal design, a still life of a robot, neural machine. Let's choose a style for our 3D reboot model. Click on Expand icon for a dynamic look. Click on Stylerize to apply the chosen style to your image. Take a moment to admire the results. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's add another style to our model. Click on Make one more style. This time, let's opt for something softer and more whimsical. Click on Pastel Heart. Click on Stylerize to apply the chosen style to your image. Check out the results once again. Lovely, isn't it? Now, select the image you like the most. Click on Place on Canvas to finalize its placement. Finally, click on Export to download your 3D reboot model. Now, hit download, and there you have it. And that's a wrap! You've successfully generated a stunning 3D reboot model using AI, and all for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!